Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer TRX from Kraken to Metamask in 2025. If you're holding TRX on Kraken and want to move it to your Metamask wallet for more control or DeFi opportunities, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for security to protect your assets. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Kraken account with TRX in it, and Metamask installed on your browser or mobile app. Remember, TRX is on the Tron network, so if you're using Metamask, you'll have to add the Tron network as a custom RPC for compatibility. Don't worry, it's easy and I'll walk you through it. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets section. Find your TRX balance and click on Withdraw. You'll be prompted to select the asset, in this case, TRX, and enter the withdrawal amount. Pro tip. Start with a small amount if you're new to this to avoid any mishaps. Next, get your Metamask address ready. Open Metamask, switch to the Tron network if you've added it, and copy your wallet address. This is crucial. Paste it carefully into Kraken's withdrawal form. Double-check that it's the correct address to prevent sending your TRX to the wrong place. Now, in Kraken, enter your Metamask address in the withdrawal destination field. You'll see options for network confirmation. Make sure it's set to the Tron network. Review the withdrawal fees. Kraken might charge a small fee, so factor that in. Once you're happy, hit Confirm and approve the transaction with your Kraken security settings, like 2FA. After that, keep an eye on your Metamask wallet. It might take a few minutes for the TRX to show up, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives, you're all set. You've successfully transferred your TRX. A quick word of caution. Always use hardware wallets for long-term storage and be wary of phishing sites. If you run into issues, check Kraken's support or Tron community forums. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.